Hey everyone, I am so excited. I am going to show you today the planner that I ordered from Malaysia because I couldn't find it anywhere else. It was sold out on the Jet Pens and the other kind of Japanese stationery websites. So I did some searching and voila, straight to me from Stickerrific in Malaysia. And I won't even try and tell you what that is, but here it is. Went through customs declaration. Kind of exciting. I've never gotten anything from this far away, so that's kind of cool. Now, I have quite a bit of planner piece right now, so I don't know why I ordered this, except for the sheer fact that I couldn't not order it. So all I did was cut open this top flap. I have not opened it yet, so you guys are gonna be like, what the hell? So that's the package. Set that aside. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's nicely bubble wrapped. And look at this cat sticker. I have got to figure out a way to save that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I hope it comes off here. Yes. Maybe. No. No, come off, little cat. I'm going to have to cut him off because I have to save him. He's so cute. So right now I'm using my traveler's notebook, my standard size, you know that, and I'm happy. I'm happy with that method, but for this next year, you know, I'm running out of the insert that has the week on, like, in horizontal boxes over here and actually over here, and then it has a notes section that I've been decorating on the left side. And my next insert that I have is actually different, so I didn't know if I'd like it, so I got this. Now this is made in Japan. Oh my goodness. It's by Midori. And you know Midori is like the Traveler Notebook brand, but they split, and now Traveler's company makes the Traveler's Notebooks, and Midori makes kind of different notebooks now, and this is the Pocket Diary 2019, and it is the cat one, and I could not help myself. See if you can see the label, made in Japan, and this was the Malaysian price. It was in US dollars, I think it was like $24 or something, and it was like, I want to say $7 in shipping. So I mean, from Malaysia to my front door in Iowa, I wasn't mad about it because I really wanted it. So that's what it looks like. Looks like the plastic is a little bit like bent here, but that's okay. So it came with a little note. Oh my goodness. It says, "Hi Emily, thank you so much for shopping with us. Happy painting with your new planner. Have an amazing year ahead. Love, Zitsuits." I don't know. Oh, and then it looks like maybe some stickers. Now, I had seen these Midori pocket notebooks on, oh, whose channel was it? gosh, I can't remember now. I'll link it below if I remember, but she showed this cat one and I just had to have it. So it looks like it's got some Japanese on it. What would that be, like Mount Fuji or something? Then a little sticker out with a little bus. Oh, and then look at this. Oh wow, that's so cool. That little card is adorable. This is the Stickerrific card. Selangor, Malaysia. So, if you want to screenshot that, it'll show you the information. And then sticker of a pen, maybe? Oh, and then look at that. Oh my goodness. It's another Stickerrific card. Now I was really happy with this website, this service. I did not have any problems with it. So I ordered it at the end, maybe right at the end of October or right at the beginning of November. Maybe like November 2nd or 3rd. I can't remember. I'd have to look back. And I got it actually, I got it yesterday and I didn't have time to do an unboxing. So I got it the 16th. So like maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, it was probably just about 2 weeks that it took, which I think is pretty darn good, you know? So the 2019 Pocket Diary, and the Midori, there was a dog one, there was this cat one, an old man, and then it comes with this this cover on it, which is kind of cool. It's like a, oh, this I think is an extra layer of packaging. I don't think this is the, yeah, this just comes off. Oops, shoot, I didn't want to rip that. Let's see if I can cut this. Oh yeah, so it was that outer that was bent. So the planner's actually like absolutely perfect. So this was just the packaging. And I'm definitely going to save this label and all of the kind of cool things because like I said, you know, never ordered anything from Malaysia or got, you know, I don't think I've ever gotten international mail. I'm not sure. So I want to save it. It's cool to me. So I'm going to save all that. And then I can throw away the plastic. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so precious. It's kind of like a PVC cover. And this is B6 size. And it even comes with like tabs. And they've got Japanese on them. But I don't care about that. When I saw this, I could not help myself. Like, I just thought it was the most precious thing I had ever seen. Because the cats are so cute. They're so, like, whimsical. So it's got a 2019, 2020 calendar. And there is a fair bit of Japanese in this. So, which doesn't bother me. There's plenty of websites that tell you like what these stand for. I think this is like one of those perpetual calendar kind of things. So this is the 12 months, which is kind of cool because you can see what the sign is, their letter is, you know, or their number for 1 through 12. I think that's what she said they were, not 1 through 12. And then I think these are the signs for the days of the week, their words. And I think their weeks start on Monday. And their Sundays, I believe, are always in red. So that's really handy. And then it starts with 2018. And this, I believe, might be November. I don't know what months they give you. No, they must give you more than that. This must be December because there's a little cat and a Christmas tree and a little... So they give you December of 2018, November, and October. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing. I'm gonna use this and plan in it even if I have, you know, something else, just because it's so flippin' adorable. Oh my god, look at it. It's like a person combing the cat and the cat licking. Oh my god, you guys. So obviously if you don't like cats, then this is not your bag. Okay, and then the weeks start at the beginning of January. Oh, and this is a lot bigger actually than I thought it was going to be, which I love. There's a lot of room here in these little boxes. I was wondering, see, now I really got this because I wanted to have a backup weeks in case, weekly setup in case I really didn't like that insert that had this side, this kind on both sides where I didn't have a place to take notes. And plus I was just in love with it. I was absolutely enamored with this, so I had to get it. So you've got your notes side, you've got your days of the week in your horizontal boxes, and then each of the weeks has these cute, cute illustrations. And oh, it's the mommy licking the little kitten. And this must be January. Yes. And just more cute, cute cat pictures. Oh, you guys, I am obsessed. This is better than I could have ever imagined. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so cute. There's February. I have 2 black cats, and I love them even though they're crazy. Oh, look at this. In the middle of this month, there's like... This is my favorite thing in the whole world. Oh, cat laying on his back. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit oohing and awing. Oh my goodness. This is so stinking cute. Oh my god, a cat on the beach. Now I'll have to go in and put, oh, cat dreaming of fish. I'll have to go in and put like maybe a sticker at the beginning of the month just to like remind myself where, you know, in English what the month is. But I am so obsessed with this. So the tabs, these marked little tabs take you to the beginning of the month. And then you've got your monthly spread, and there's actually some room for like notes. And the cat pictures, it's like just enough decoration that would make me super happy, but not overwhelming. Like, I could also add stickers if I wanted to, or something else. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed. So I'm going to use this for the cat in the paper bag. He's got his head stuck in the paper bag. You guys, oh my god. You're discovering something ridiculous about me, and that is, oh my gosh, hiding under the newspaper. If you're a cat person, you get this. You get how you would just love this. And the illustrations are so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, enough gushing. So you have the whole month, and then your weekly, you know, setups like this, which I love. And then here's December 2019. And then it looks like, oh. Then they give you January of 2020. And then it looks like some different things in Japanese. And then more pictures of the cats, which I love. Some blank dot grid, or like gridded pages, which actually, the grid is quite large. I mean, I have, you know, pretty big handwriting, and I wouldn't have trouble writing in these boxes, which is pretty cool. There's actually quite a few notes pages. And then a place for addresses, which is neat. And then I think this is a Tokyo Railway map, which I won't have a lot of need for, but it's pretty. The colors are pretty. And then a little personal And then, like I said, it comes in this little plastic case, and then it actually even has a built-in like pen loop kind of thing, which is pretty neat. Let's see what pen would fit in there. I don't know about this paper, like what pen will work on this paper. I'm not sure what kind of paper it is, but this is a Sarasa 0.7, Zebra Sarasa 0.7. Let's see if it fits in here, in this loop. I doubt I would use this pen loop, but it's cute to have. Oh yeah, it does fit in there. Oh, look at that. So you can have your pen with you. That's kind of cool. And then it sort of folds out. I'm sure you can train it to kind of go out like that. Look at that, you guys. And it's got a little ribbon to keep your place. I'm thrilled. I honestly could not love this more, honestly. So I'm really happy. If you wanted to look at them, I wish I could remember what video I saw this. It was a girl that does YouTube videos, hauls and stuff. Or, I mean, she has a stationery store website. Now see, this is what I had gotten this for in case I wanted a cover for it. I got this Recollections brand ring notebook, and I took the rings out, and I got this on a day that it was 40% off, and then it had like an extra 20% off sale items or something like that. So I was like, hey, I'm just gonna try it, you know, just because I thought, I knew that I had seen videos on YouTube saying that you could take the rings out, and then this was kind of a B6 size. It fit B6 notebooks. So I thought, well, that would be kind of cool. It would offer me a little extra protection in there, and I would have some pockets in case I wanted to keep other things. And I thought I could just slip it in kind of like a folio, like some people have had drilled in sort of holes and made it like a traveler's notebook, but I think it would work just fine like this, actually. And like no problem, you know, writing. And this was so cheap. I mean, it has another pen loop, so I actually have 2 pen loops if I wanted to keep another pen in here. And then this would offer extra protection too if I just wanted to, if I was going to take it places, because it's so precious that I, you know, want to keep it nice. And then I had this cat washi tape and this yellow polka dotted washi tape that I used to cover the holes from where I took the rings out. And I was looking for a yellow traveler's notebook online, like a pastel yellow, that I wanted in a B6 size to put this in, and I could not find one anywhere. So that's why I ended up actually getting this one, because it was the only one that I could find that would fit a B6 and was in this sort of pale yellow, which in my mind I thought would match perfectly with the kind of pale sort of pictures from what I could see in the cover of this, which was sort of pastels, and it does. It matches perfectly. I just could not be more thrilled. I really could not. And this really doesn't need a cover because it's got its own little protection here with the plastic. So I might not keep it in here, you know, but I do like that I have it. And I mean, this only ended up being a few bucks. So it was fun, and it fits in there nicely. It's got a little home now. So you guys, that's my unboxing. I am so excited, so excited. I absolutely could not love this more, and it was worth the wait. And I didn't even have to wait that long. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was informative for you. And if you have any more questions or want to see more of a flip through, I would be happy to show you. But I know that right now I'm just rambling, and and there's no sense in my head because I'm so excited. So just let me know if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.